We are going to add the reciprocals of some complex numbers because one of your problems has you do something similar. So we'll do 1 over 3 minus I plus 1 over 5 plus 2I. We're going to get a common denominator, which will be our least common multiple of the denominators, which is the product of these two. So we'll have 1 times 5 plus 2I and 3 minus I times 5 plus 2I. So I multiply numerator and denominator by 5 plus 2I. That's really multiplying by 1, so I haven't changed anything. And similarly, I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by 3 minus I. Okay, now we've got the common denominator, so we can add our numerators. And 1 times anything is just that itself. So we'll have 5 plus 2I plus 3 minus I. Okay, and in our numerator, we'll want to add like terms. Our constants, we'll just have, I guess these are constants too, but the real numbers, we'll have an 8, and then 2I minus I, just plus I. In our denominator, we want to FOIL those out. We're going to have a 15 minus 5I plus 6I minus 2I squared. And simplifying our denominator, the I squared is really a negative 1. So we'll have negative 2 times negative 1, which is a positive 2. So we're going to have 15 plus 2 gives us a 17. And then negative 5I plus I is plus I. Now we need to rationalize the denominator. So we'll multiply by the conjugate of the denominator and do that in the numerator also. So this will be 17 minus I up in the numerator also. Okay. So 8 times 17. Don't know that one off the top of my head. It's 136 plus 17I minus 8I minus I squared. Again, your I squared is negative 1. So minus a negative 1 becomes plus 1. So we'll have 136 plus 1 is a 137. And we'll have 17I minus 8I, which leaves us with 9I. Okay, so that's the numerator. Denominator, we could FOIL it, and we could use the shortcut that if you have a plus bi times a minus bi, that's the same as a squared plus b squared. So we're going to have a 17 squared, that was the a part, our b is 1, so plus 1 squared, so 17 squared. Okay, 284, that's not right, this is a 9, sorry about that. 289 plus 1, which is 290. Then we check, is there any common factors here? I'm guessing 137's prime. This has a 3 in it, 3 doesn't go in here. So that is the answer. That's when you take those, add them together, you get that.